morning, students. In this video we are going to learn about Rutherford atomic model. His name is Ernest Rutherford. From this year of 1871 to 1937. So there were a shortcoming in this Thomson theory. The Ernest Rutherford gave a better understanding. So Ernest Rutherford conduct an experiment. So Rutherford hypothesis. So discovered uranium emit the fast moving particles. That particle have the positive charge. That particle is called as alpha particle. So Rutherford asked to find out what happened when they passed through the thin sheet of gold. He said the mass of gold would be too small to change the path of the alpha particles. So most particles should travel the straight through. So Rutherford gold foil experiment. Use the relatively massive alpha particle which are helium. The alpha particle otherwise called as helium atom. That have lost their 2 electron directed in a narrow beam at the thin sheet of gold foil. So some of the particle passed through the foil without deflection, while others bounce off the foil at very large angle. So from this diagram we have easily observed from the source of alpha particle is from the source they passed and bombarded to the gold foil. From the gold foil the alpha rays passed all the area, so the many area not direct there is no deflection for many areas. In certain area, particularly in center region, the rays are directly bounce back. So that means in center area they have some positive charge. That positive charge present inside the nucleus, they are called as proton. So from the Rutherford atomic theory, atoms have the center portion. The center portion is called as nucleus. That nucleus having the positive charged particle is called proton. So discovery of the nucleus. The deflected positive alpha particle must have come close to a charged object, but some still passed through. So drew the conclusion that the positive charged part is not evenly spread throughout the atom. It is all concentrated at the center in the nucleus. So I already explained. So nucleus is a dense portion. It have positively charged, so mass located at the center of the atom. So development of atomic models. So Rutherford atomic models could not explain the chemical property of the element. So proposed a model which placed the electrons orbiting the nucleus like the planets of solar system. Needed a model that better describe the behavior of electron with an atom. These two ideas further the atomic model is developed by Niels Bohr. In higher classes, we are going to learn detailing. So from the Rutherford theory, so what are the postulates they give? There are three important points. First one is the nucleus at the center of the atom has positive charge. Most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. So that is the first point. So the nucleus at the center of the atom has the positive charge. Most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Second postulates. The negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in specific orbit. The negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus in specific orbit. So electron present only outside the nucleus, that is present in orbital. It is revolving around the nucleus, revolving itself and revolving around the nucleus. So the negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus in specific orbitals. The last postulates. In comparisons with the size of atom, the nucleus is very small. In comparison with the size of atom, you have to compare the size of atom. The nucleus size is very small. So very small portion only occupy at the center. They are called as nucleus. These are the postulates of Rutherford theory. Next, we are going to learn about the structure of atom. The center portion is called nucleus. From the center portion, they have the two coloring balls. One is red and another one is grey. The red color sphere is called as proton. The proton have positive charge. The grey color sphere is called as neutron. They have no charge. So the proton and the neutron present at the center, they are called as nucleus. So around the nucleus they have many orbitals, circular orbitals. From the circular orbitals they have electron. The electron revolve itself and revolve around the nucleus. So that is the structure of an atom. Thank you, students.